do we got here, Kyle?
A hole. A heck of a hole.
That ain't a 3/4 inch pipe.
That's
No.
That's telecom.
That's
The pipe's
below
about
that.
2 feet lower. Pipe's down here.
Ruben, you made a mess, bud.
I made a mess on it. Sorry.
This isn't Ruben's repair. Ruben's over there.
I already did a repair right there.
Oh, 2 repairs.
2 repairs, yeah. That one's on the 90 feet into that
Oh, the backflow?
They're gonna have to reroute below that backflow preventer. Go shallow right here and go deep right here. From right there all the way. But they gotta look everything caved in, that's why. The water, they left it open till Saturday, Sunday, and yes.
Ruben, get off my hand.
Ruben, her husband's big boy.
Oh, really? Yeah.